Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start fast. Make sure Node and Tailwind v3 Plus are installed, then create Tailwind. Config JS. Set dark mode to class if you want manual toggling or media for OS preference. Next, add the 3 at Tailwind directives inside your main CSS so utilities are generated. Once done, run your build process so the CSS is compiled. This gets you into a live environment where you can apply dark variants. The next slide shows how to wire the UI and components. You'll now attach styles. Apply dark. Utility prefixes to override light mode styles, for example dark, BG Gray 900 and dark text gray 100. If you chose class mode, toggle the dark class on HTML or body to switch themes. If media mode, the browser auto-applies based on OS. Once toggled, make sure to include transitions like transition colors duration 200 for a smooth change. Also scope dark variants inside components to avoid specificity issues. You finish by wiring toggles and persistence. Add a small script that toggles document element, class list. Toggle dark and stores the choice in local storage, then on load read local storage or fall back to match media, prefers color scheme, dark. If classes don't seem to apply, make sure your build included dark variants and that purge/content paths include every template. Rebuild the CSS if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if styles disappear, rebuild and verify Tailwind. Config JS content paths include dynamically generated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.